Hey guys, now that I've welcomed you into the Book Boss family, I just want to tell you a little bit about how to use this course and how to navigate it, okay? I'm going to provide you with all of the things that you need to be successful and get your book done in the next 90 days. We're going to do video training, which will be the modules in the course. We're going to have PDFs and Google documents that you can use for support and print these things out if you don't want to just watch the video. You want to have something in front of you. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions to plan and publish your book. There's going to be weekly Q&A sessions on Facebook or Zoom. I'm going to give you Voxer access to me, and you can give me 5 voice messages a week so I can reach out to you if we need to and give you a little bit more access. I'm going to give you one 30-minute session with me where we can strategize and maybe knock out some of the problems that you just can't figure out on your own, okay? So the way I've structured this course is to give you week-by-week instruction and step-by-step instruction in the order that you need to complete it to get your book published. Some of it may be, so I'm going to give it to you each week to keep you from getting overwhelmed. I'm going to drip this content out over the next 6 to 8 weeks. We're going to get our books done. We're going to be book bosses. It's going to be amazing. Some of you learn better through audio, some of you better through visual. So I'm going to give you the audio files that you can listen to in your car on the way to and from work. You're going to have the videos that you can watch. You're going to have printouts. Guys, I just want you to be successful. So please use this information. Reach out to me if you have a problem. Hit me on Voxer. Let's set up that strategy call when we need it, and let's get your book published, okay? Also, guys, I want you to use the Facebook group, Healthcare Self-Publishing Academy 1.0, HSPA 1.0, to share your struggles and your successes with the other people in the group. We're here to help each other. You're in the family now. Let's treat each other like family that we like and get this thing done.